So more and more, we're getting requests on 80 to 120-year-old homes that really want to keep the charm and the character. And when that happens, we really lean heavily into James Hardie fiber cement siding for a few reasons. One is a lot of these homes have smooth siding, and you really can't get a smooth option on other materials like LP Smart Side or some other products. And you can on James Hardie fiber cement. You can get a 4-inch reveal, which is pretty common in these areas. So it's very common for us in Parkville and Mission Hills and parts of Kansas City, like Brookside, where we're going back with James Hardie's smooth siding to kind of meet that natural, authentic look. They also have a wide variety of different trim sizes, different colors to kind of meet that old historical look. We want to keep the charm. We also want to give it a much lower maintenance product, right? So cedar is an option, but like right now installing cedar on your house is kind of like installing gold or diamonds on your house. And that was even before tariffs. It's just an extremely expensive product. It's extremely expensive to stain or maintain. Since any kind of tariffs gone effect, it's even more expensive. And so I love the look of cedar. I hate the maintenance. And so most of the time we have homeowners begging us to kind of get the cedar off their old home. And then we have the conversations of how do we keep the charm? How do we kind of keep the historical look? James Hardie fiber cement's a natural fit with their smooth product, with their array of colors and all their different trim and different soffits to kind of give the homeowner a almost identical look to what they have today. But it's a little more, I don't want to say modern, it's still timeless, but it's very low maintenance as well.